In this episode, cutouts for the roll cage, flock in fantastic and precise, make some carbon fibre panels from templates provided, all to the sound of some extremely funky retro disco music. Stay tuned. Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. Guess what we're doing? Some flocking for a change. So I've got a BMW dash that's arrived. This has come straight from the customer. This is for another race car. He's given me some guidance as to where he wants me to cut for the roll cage. So I'm going to get rid of these bits in the corners on both sides. Was cut all this out, dressed and ready to be flocked. And he's also given me these templates, which he wants to have just these replicated in just flat carbon panels. So my big CNC machine is still up and running, so I'll have to do this the old school way and do it by hand. But yeah, simple job. Let's get on with it. Right, so that's it all done. So let's have a look. So I've got the carbon pieces all cut as per the templates provided by the customer. And here's the main piece here, it's dash. Lovely finish. nice and even anthracite. No dry patches at all, no lumps or bumps, just really nice, smooth and consistent. And I really love the way that these vents contrast against the flock. Just really sets it off. Yeah, so it's another one done. On to the next one. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.